Whether it be by listening to the community, stealing from competitors like Guilded, or copying from client modifications like Vencord or Better Discord, here are 9 features that Discord needs to add. One of them you're gonna really hate me for. Now, the first 2 features I'm gonna show you revolve around things that have already been in Discord or are currently in Discord as we speak. And the first feature that I want Discord to add is custom themes. Right now on Discord, if you go to your user settings and you have Discord Nitro, you can actually customize how your Discord looks. You have light mode gradients that are pretty okay, but you also have dark mode gradients that honestly aren't the best. But here's the thing, there is 0 customization. And here's the thing, Discord actually wanted custom themes and they made their own suggestion post 5 years ago. However, things get so much worse because while these themes were in development, Discord had a specific experiment that looked a little something like this. In this video, you will see this theme color with a color picker. And when you use this color picker, you can adjust the theme of Discord. This is a custom theme. Revolutionary. Discord literally made this and it doesn't exist anymore. Now, the second feature that Discord needs to add are advanced statuses. Now, this exists already as RPCs or rich presences. For example, in someone's status, they have these 3 little lines, and when you click on it, you can see what they're doing. This person is listening to Spotify, but what if we could make our own custom status? Look at this fella here. They have their own custom status where they're apparently watching Kirby, and it's just Saul Goodman. And this is their own custom game. It has a title, it has buttons like my YouTube video, cool game. Am I going to click on these links? No. Now, getting this custom status can be a little bit difficult. Now, I have a lot of tutorials on how to do this, but here's the thing. Depending on how you do it, it might break Discord's terms of service. For example, this tutorial here uses Vencord, which is a client mod, breaks Discord's terms of service. It would be super nice to be able to go into your Discord user settings, go to your profile, and make your own custom rich presence. But having something like this would 100% be a Nitro-only feature, because if you're not just messaging people on Discord and you want to do any sort of customization, you need to pay money. And it's evident because if you look at what Discord's working on right now, they have custom app icons, that's customization, and it requires Discord Nitro, and Discord profile effects, customization, it requires Discord Nitro. In Discord, people would 100% pay for Discord Nitro if they had the capability of doing this without having to go through some weird roundabout method with client mods. Now, speaking of client mods, the next 4 features that Discord needs to add come directly from client mods like Vencord and Better Discord. Now, if you didn't know already, most people download client mods for 2 plugins. Fake Nitro, so you can get Nitro features for free, and 2 message loggers. Discord is definitely not going to be adding any of those features to Discord, so let's just wipe that right off the table. But here's the thing, Discord has already copied features from client mods. For example, there was a Better Discord plugin called Show Sessions, which allowed you to see where your account was logged into. And right now, if you go on Discord, go to your user settings and go to devices, you can see where you're logged in. And that's not a one-off thing, by the way. There's also another plugin called Better Banned Users, where you have an actual good user ban list. And guess what Discord added recently? You go to your server settings, you scroll down to bans, and you can actually search. Wow. So now that we know that Discord will copy features from client mods, what is the third feature that Discord needs to add? Well, here's the thing. It's just better Spotify embeds. Spotify embeds are absolute hot garbage. Your friend sends you a super cool song that you like, you click on play, and you lose your hearing. But there's a Vencord plugin called Fix Spotify Embeds that Discord, at the very minimum, needs to copy. Now, what this plugin does is if you go to its settings, you can set the volume percentage of Spotify embeds. Please note that anything above 10% is very loud, which is a good indicator that the normal Spotify embed is extremely loud. But once you set the volume and you save and close, you go back to your embed and you give it a listen. It's listen-to-able. Now, the fun of ingesting auditory noises don't stop there, because the fourth feature that Discord needs to add are voice messages on PC. Because what if someone's in the car and you don't want to call them? I don't want them to text and drive and die. Or maybe I do. I do think you should be able to send voice messages from your desktop. Anyways, you probably guessed it, there is a Vencord plugin called Voice Messages. And this thing is just, it's beautiful. You just click on plus, you send a voice message, you start recording. Fortnite Among Us Sussy Ballsack. You click on play. Fortnite Among Us Sussy Ballsack. Perfect. You click on send. It just does it. All Discord has to do is just like add the UI and the buttons and make it idiot proof, which is probably the hardest part. Now, the fifth feature that Discord needs to add are better notification settings, specifically when you join a Discord server. So instead of having to right click on every single server that you join, go to your notification settings and turn on all the settings that you want to your liking. Instead, it would just be nice if we could go into our user settings, go to notifications, and set the default. There is a plugin called Mute New Guilds on cord that does exactly that. And all Discord has to do is just copy this plugin and put it in the notifications tab. Now, the sixth feature that Discord needs to add is the ability to translate messages. Not everyone speaks English. When I get a message sent to me like this, I don't understand it. So it would be very nice if Discord could just use their massive scale as a company to work with someone where you're able to translate messages, just as if you're using the Vencord plugin Translate. And what does this plugin do? Well, all you gotta do is just hover over a message, click on Translate, and it tells you the truth. I'm gonna die alone. Now, the seventh feature that Discord needs to add actually comes from a community figure, and it involves the join servers for you permission. It's a join server prompt. Now, if you don't know, I hate the join servers for you permission. Scammers will abuse this permission and get you to authorize a free Discord Nitro bot. And when you authorize this bot, you will join a whole bunch of spam or scam servers. And I told Discord, you better delete this goddamn thing. But Discord doesn't just delete things. So instead of deleting it, there might be a middle ground solution. And this is from a very familiar face on this channel, Pamley, and they made a suggestion of some sort of pop-up. So if a bot with the join servers for you permission made you join a Discord server, it would show up in this little section here. And when you hover over the server, it'll say, oh, you were added by that fake Nitro bot. And when you click on the server, you'll get this nice big banner saying, yo, you were added to the server by some sort of Discord bot. Learn more if you don't know what's going on, which are most of the people that fall for this type of free Nitro scam. And if you were to click on that learn more button, it would bring you this pop-up here explaining everything. This OAuth bot made you join a Discord server. Did you want to join the Discord server? Then you'd click on I wish to join this server. Nothing would happen. But if you clicked on I do not wish to join this server, then you would leave the server. And finally, I did not ask to be joined to this server, which would not only remove you from the server, you'd leave the server, but it also removed the bot. It would deauthorize the Discord bot. Now, I was just going to give you 7 ideas, but I like the number 9, and I also ran out of ideas. And whenever I run out of ideas, I just steal them from other people. And Discord should do the same by stealing ideas from Guilded, one of their competitors. So the 8th feature that Discord should add are different channel types. Because right now, if you open up Discord, you have text, voice, form, announcement stage, and you also have a media channel. And I wonder where that media channel came from, because if you go on Guilded and you create a channel, you have 10 options, including a media channel. Maybe they stole an idea from Guilded before already. Now, the first type of channel I'd want Discord to add is a calendar channel, because here's the thing, I have all my friends in a Discord server, and anytime we want to do anything, like eat food, we have to go through the rigmarole of like asking everyone. Instead, with a calendar channel, we can just say, yo, you know what, on the 22nd, we're gonna do something crazy, like kiss each other hard. Of course I'm going. And if you're a Discord server owner, doing stuff like events on Discord is all public. Everyone could see it. And it'd be nice to just be able to have like a staff-only calendar. And speaking of doing things, there is a to-do list channel, which is extremely useful. And the Discord maybe possibly consider this or something. Now, you're really going to hate me for this one, but I think the 9th feature that Discord should add are Guilded's accounts profiles. On Discord, when you look at someone's profile and you view the whole thing, it's pretty boring. But on Guilded, it's a whole different beast, baby. When you click on someone's profile, you have the games that they have on the left, which if you actually fill it out, looks like this, where you can see their stats. But you also have profile connections on the right, just like Discord, but in the middle, you have this beautiful feed. It's literally, I've kind of realized that maybe I'm a boomer at this point and my boomerness is coming out, because I realize this is just like Facebook. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments about this feature or any other features that I talked about, and have a great week, sweetheart. Bye-bye, I love you.